Follow the steps in your installation guide and arrange the pieces of the hanging beam assembly as shown. Join the top beam sections and secure them with the provided screws. Repeat this process for the lower beam. Turn over each beam and install the hanging pins. Attach the brackets to the ends of the vertical beams using the provided screws. Attach the vertical beams to the lower beam. Repeat this process for the upper beam. Arrange the pieces of the mobile stand. Place the horizontal beams between the vertical sections, then secure them using the screws. Insert the beam connectors and secure them with the provided screws. Lift the stand and attach the wheeled sections. Place the assembled stand on its wheels and engage the caster brakes. Once the stand is upright, make sure all the screws are fully tightened. Using 2 people, lift the assembly and attach it to the stand. You can use keyhole position 1 or 2. Then, secure the assembly to the stand with the provided screws. When you're finished, proceed to the Mounting the Cabinets video.